Hello and welcome everyone. So today I'm going to share you a front door makeover for a flat or apartment. What happens in flat, the outer area is the common area wherein we cannot do much. I'm going to share you how to do a makeover for a flat so that it doesn't disturb others. At the same time, it has to be classic, warm and welcoming. It's going to be extremely budget friendly because most of the things are DIYs. So if you have a tight budget and you want to do a makeover, so this one is for you. Before that, let's see the current situation to get to know the idea or how to do the makeover.
Hi everyone, this is my flat on the right corner. As you can see on this floor, there are two flats, me and my neighbors. In between is the lift, looking really dull with no feel of home. Let's take a closer look. So this side is the lift, so can't do much here, but we'll utilize the right side wall. And this shoe rack is not making sense at all, so needs to be replaced. This is how it is. So this is my rough sketch idea that I have made. I decided to go for a low side wall paneling, both the sides, DIY double doormat, welcome board, new shoe cabinet, a nameplate and wall lamp this side, a curved arc above the door, and of course a cute door wreath to get that feel of home. So let's get started.
Everyone has scrap wood pieces at home. I also took a long scrap wood plank to make a welcome board. I'm rubbing it with a sandpaper around the edges and applying a medium brown wood polish to get that uniform color and shine. Now with equal gaps, I'm writing welcome with white exterior paint wall color. And it came out so well. For the DIY doormat, I'm making two, one as base and the other one above it. For base, I'm using a cotton fabric to the size of the door area, and now for the main doormat, I'm using a burlap cloth for a natural feel and tucked it from all the sides on an old doormat. So here I am giving some more personal touch by writing home and giving some leafy patterns with the help of stencils. For the wall paneling, I got these 20 long plywood strips of height 4 feet.
Polishing it with medium brown color. Cutting all to a length of 2.5 feet. Now fixing on wall with nails in equal gaps. Similarly for the other side wall, to get that equal wall space, place it with some support and apply nails to fix it permanent. After the wall paneling is done, I'm going to make a curved arc above the door with some leftover laminates and the remaining plywood strips. Looks easy, but with laminates you have to be very careful while cutting. After getting both the curves, I'm fixing it in sun-shaped pattern with a glue gun. On wall, I'm using long thin nails to fix it permanent. To replace the old shoe rack, I'm going to use this cabinet. The color is fine, but we need to wood polish with the same medium brown color on top and handles to match it with other wood characters. That's going so well together. Except for the door. To give a light wood polish on a dark wood, we first need to paint it white. So first painting the handles and locks, and then covering the rest. Now applying the wood polish on door and sides. Well, that's such a nice transformation. For the nameplate, I got this MDF customized written name online, and they really customized so well. They adjusted 3 names in place of 2 for us. This is an old gift box I'll be using along with some leftover laminates as a base to make a unique nameplate. So fix the names in one side and the box in one corner. I asked my daughter to color her old letter toys to get the flat number, and she did it wonderfully. Fix the letters with glue gun. The box can be used to put some artificial leaves or even keys for that matter. So this is a cone-shaped wall lamp I got online in a very budget-friendly price. I'm going to link all the product used in description box below for reference. So installed the wall lamp and the nameplate on right side wall. Finally making a cute door wreath by using round bamboo circle of a bouquet and some leaves. Tucked it with stapler, and that's it. Time for the final arrangements and done. Looks like with little efforts and personal touch, any place can be peaceful and feel like home. If you found this video useful, please write in the comment section, like this, share with your friend, and of course consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and have a great day.